Speaker, I think so far so good, but we are facing some challenges, and perhaps I want to seek your guidance on this, or directives. Honorable Speaker, as you can see, the House is not full, and a number of members are finding it difficult to access the House. Personally, a number of members, as we speak, are finding it difficult to go through the police blockades to access the House. I've personally had to struggle to get to this House this morning. Honorable Speaker,
what is the problem?
The problem is that the entire Parliament precinct is cordoned off by people who appear to be police officers. Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, we are living in a democratic country. And this House is a symbol of our democracy. No person in this country has got the authority to establish a blockade around Parliament, to cordon off Parliament. There is no state of emergency which has been declared, as far as I'm aware, under the Constitution. Under the Constitution. I am aware that on Tuesday or Wednesday, or yesterday, Tuesday I think, there were some demonstrations around Parliament and in the CBD. Very, very peaceful demonstrations by very, very young children who were unarmed throughout the demonstrations. In fact, the police who provoked them and eventually arrested very many of them who were innocent, took them to police stations, they spent the night there, and they were released unconditionally on free bond, Honorable Speaker. So what is it that is occasioning this overzealous approach by the police? Can the speakers direct the Inspector General of Police to withdraw the police officers who have made this Parliament to be like a military installation, Honorable Speaker? It is an affront to our democracy for this Parliament to be turned into a military installation, Honorable Speaker. Why is it that we are making this business of finance bill become a so serious a matter that the whole country comes to a standstill, Honorable Speaker? It's an issue that we must be addressed before today's business can proceed. I want to call upon my colleague members that we ensure that that cordon, that blockade is removed before we can proceed the business.
Thank you.
We cannot be making steps forward and then regressing as a country, as a democracy.
Thank you, Minority Leader. Yes, Osoro.